Hey everyone, welcome back to our series that make grammar stick forever. Today, we master prepositions to say exactly where things are, perfect for navigating schools, offices, or any French building like a local. We'll cover every keyword and rule without skipping anything.
The 8 key prepositions are à gauche, meaning to the left, à droite, to the right, en face, meaning opposite or in front, à côté, meaning next to, au bout, meaning at the end, loin, meaning far, près, meaning near, and au-dessus, meaning above. These prepositions always combine with de plus the article. Du for masculine singular, de la for feminine singular, de le before a vowel, and de for plural. With that foundation in place, here's where it gets practical. Let's see every example in real school life.
La cafétéria, c'est à côté du secrétariat. This means the cafeteria is next to the secretary's office. La cafétéria, c'est à côté du secrétariat.
La sortie, c'est au bout du corridor. This means the exit is at the end of the corridor. La sortie, c'est au bout du corridor.
L'ordinateur est près de la fenêtre. This means the computer is near the window. L'ordinateur est près de la fenêtre.
La plante est à droite de la porte. This means the plant is to the right of the door. La plante est à droite de la porte.
Les toilettes sont en face de l'escalier et de l'ascenseur. This means the toilets are opposite the stairs and the elevator. Les toilettes sont en face de l'escalier et de l'ascenseur.
Ma classe est loin des toilettes. This means my classroom is far from the toilets. Ma classe est loin des toilettes.
Le vestiaire, c'est à côté des casiers. This means the changing room is next to the lockers. Le vestiaire, c'est à côté des casiers.
Before we finish, remember, au-dessus works the same way, above the something, using du, de la, de le, or des.
Let's quickly recap the 3 big takeaways: the 8 prepositions, the 4 de contractions, and how to use them in real sentences. These skills will help you describe any location in French instantly, super practical for travel, work, or daily chats.
Thank you for watching. Drop your favorite preposition in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe with the bell for next video. Keep practicing these prepositions every day, and soon you'll navigate French like you've lived there forever. À bientôt!